When is the last time you actually asked yourself, what do you want? Do you have a vision for yourself? What is getting you out of bed every morning? And if not, if you don't have any of these things, if you can't resonate with what I'm talking about, by the end of this presentation, you are going to have a sense of purpose, a sense of direction, at least know the next step for you to take. And we're bridging the gap today with vision boards. I'm going to help you go from your current situation to your desired situation by discussing vision boards today. This video is brought to you by an active member of the Continence Club. You know who you are. This is Mekus with another one. My email's in the description if you need help one-on-one or if you want me to address any additional video topics. Let's get straight into this one. Vision boards. Don't take it from me, take it from the good book, take it from all different religions. And one thing is in common, and when it comes to the good book, in Proverbs 29 verse 18, where there is no vision, the people perish, but he that keepeth the law, happy is he. You see, as you may know, this world is governed by a natural law. Nature operates in certain ways. And, the reason is because there's structure, when there's order. And so as this applies to your life, vision boards are going to bring structure and order to your life. You see, because without vision in your life, there's chaos. Without structure, there's chaos. And so that's why it's important. I talk about it in my videos. What do you want? Because once you know this, you're going to have a sense of fulfillment that you're looking for and purpose, something that'll get you out of bed every morning. So when I talk about vision boards today, I want you to have a fundamental understanding, because it's not just some colorful thing that you put on paper and you just, look at it. It's very deep. It's a powerful tool for goal achievement, character achievement, emphasizing detailed written descriptions of future desired outcomes and consistent visualization to reinforce intention and motivate action towards those goals. So essentially, a vision board, to put it in simple terms, is something that's going to reinforce and train your mind to feel, right? This is a mind controlling tool, not necessarily a manifestation tool. And you achieve character, not goals. I sound like a broken record. I say that so many times when it comes to going from your current to your desired situation. You are not necessarily chasing anything. You're not going after anything. You are becoming. You are achieving a character, because once you achieve a character, you're putting yourself in a vibrational alignment, right? Once you have your mind under control to materialize whatever it is that you want for yourself. So this is why this is the case. You're training your mind to feel what is a vibrational reality that you're manifesting, right? So now let me ask you again, what do you want? Have you asked yourself this question? And when somebody asks you, what do you answer? If I were to ask you, how do you really want to live? Or would you be able to really tell me detailed? What would you really like to do with yourself? What would you really like to do with your life? Because one thing I know is for certain, in your current situation right now, you feel stagnant. You feel like you can't really make any progress, right? You feel lost, and it's because you don't have a vision, for your life, and I really don't even blame you, because we weren't really taught and propelled growing up to really take this into consideration. Chances are you're living somebody else's dream. You're not living your own dream. And I know what that feels like, right? But you can change that. You have the privilege to take accountability for your life and create a vision that you want to live, because I'm telling you, it is worth it. It is 100% worth it. The things I'm seeing happening, the vision board that I put together, can be scary a little bit, because, you're really going to set into motion your desired situation once you really grasp this presentation. So without vision, right, you open yourself up for chaos. Like I mentioned, without structure, there's chaos. So that's why it's important for you to set a vision for yourself and live through it every day. I don't know how big the vision is for you. I don't know what it is on your heart, but I know something deep down inside of your soul is pulling you to wake up every day and do it. I don't know what it is for you in particular. It could be being a teacher, a musician, a great father, a mother, being a great partner, right? It's whatever you deem it to be, whatever is deep down in your heart. And if you don't know what that may be, it's important for you to set some time aside, get away from, the distractions and the overstimulation, so that you can, because it's there. You just have to set the intention to find it, and you will. And you're going to have a better sense of direction in knowing what you actually want to do for yourself. Even if you don't know, you can definitely find out. A lot of people that I talk to that are successful, they tell me that, they really didn't even have a sense of direction, right? Until later on in life. But it's we're all unique. I'm unique and you are. But all you have to do is tap into that feeling, and you need to create that vision board around it, create a vision around it, right? It's going to give you a reason to wake up every day. Trust me. Do not worry about the how. Once you create a vision board for yourself, or you determine who you want to become, right? Don't worry about how it's going to happen. Just set the intention through your heart, feel it to be true, and take action towards it, right? Live from the end, the law of assumption, right? So as you look at your board, right, you want to feel, so we're going to talk about creating it here in a second, but I want to emphasize how important it is once you do so to feel good thoughts about it, feel positive emotions about it, feel it is to already be true. What conversations are you having in your desired situation, right? This is all what you need to depict in your vision board. High vibration and high frequency thoughts. Because once you do this, you are going to start to attract it to you as I depicted here. So you might want that new house. I know you want better health, wealth, and relationships. I'm simplifying it for you. You might want a new car. You might just want some more money in your pocket. And the truth is, all you really have to do is, once you depict it on your vision board, you can make a digital vision board, you can make a physical one, but at the end of the day, just put these pictures here of your desired situation. Put pictures of your desired situation on your vision board, whether physical or digital, right? And once you do that, emit thought. Your thoughts matter, your vision matters, the emotion you put behind it matters, your vibration and frequency that you put behind it matters. So situations and circumstances will form to materialize your vision. It's almost ridiculous and scary how things start to happen. I can tell you there's a handful of things on my vision board I created over the past year or so that's coming to fruition this year of 2025. I can't make this up, right? And it's because I have vision and I have structure, and this is something that, it's very fulfilling. You are not going to regret it. As long as you live the life that you want to live deep down, you will absolutely not regret it. And so all you have to do is shift your mindset to having these thoughts and have that vision, put the emotion behind it, and you're going to literally magnetize that house, that health, wealth, relationship, that car, whatever it is to you, right? You see how you're not necessarily going after these things, you are attracting it to you because you're like an electrical conduit, right? And this is what the version of yourself in your desired situation understands. The version of yourself in your desired situation understands that everything that's coming into your life, you're attracting it into your life. You're not chasing it. It's all attracted by the virtue of images you're holding in your mind. That's the foundation of this channel, controlling your mind so that you can have those mental images associated with your desired situation to bring it to you quicker, right? I help you expedite the process. It's what's going on in your mind that you're attracting. That's why your energy and your attention are so important. Wherever you focus your thoughts, none of your thoughts go unnoticed. And you see, the reason your vision board is important, and the reason why it's important for you to create one, is that it's going to help you keep your attention on the thoughts that keep you aligned to your desired situation. It's just an attention game at the end of the day. The more you can place your thoughts and control them and harness them to your desired situation, right? And you focus on that instead of focusing on the lack, the scarcity, the fear of your current situation. That's how you're going to bridge the gap. And that's what the vision board is going to help you to do, again, to train your mind to feel what it is vibrationally, right? That you're manifesting. That's the point of your vision board. So all you have to do is slap on those images, whether digitally or on the physical board, right? Decorate it, get detailed. And I highly recommend for you to put it in the first person point of view. So if you're looking at a house, you could put that house there from a first person point of view, right? So you actually feel like you're actually in that scenario. And I think that is something that is really going to help speed up the process of manifestation for you. So, this is just a fundamental understanding of vision boards. Just wanted to bring that and simplify it today before getting into the nitty gritty for a later video. But Create that vision board for yourself. Have a vision. Ask yourself what it is that you want, because trust me, it is worth it and you will not regret it. And I guarantee that you will not have any regrets down the road as long as you are living the life you feel is meant for you. This is Mekus with the Continence Club. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My email's in the description. If you need any personal attention, just reach out. Don't be shy. I will see you on the other side. Keep going. Until next time.